Did you know that the key to improving blood circulation in your legs and feet might be as simple as a vitamin you're not paying attention to? That's right. While most of us spend a fortune on medication and treatments for poor circulation, the solution could be hiding right in your kitchen. In today's video, we'll reveal the best vitamin to eliminate poor circulation in your legs and feet. And the best part? You might already have it at home. But before we dive in, let me ask you this. Have you ever felt your legs heavy and swollen after a long day? Or maybe you've experienced sharp pain in your calves while walking, making even short distances feel like a marathon? What if I told you that this discomfort might be linked to something as simple as a vitamin deficiency that no one is talking about? Now, I know you've probably tried several solutions by now, creams, medications, maybe even compression socks. But here's the problem. Most of these solutions only treat the symptoms, not the root cause. They give you temporary relief, but the discomfort always comes back, doesn't it? You deserve better than that. And I'm here to tell you that there's a natural, effective solution that can make a real difference in your life. Stay with me because, in just a few minutes, I'm going to share with you the #1 vitamin that can improve your blood circulation and help prevent more serious complications down the road. This isn't another complicated treatment or expensive supplement. It's simple, it's accessible, and it's something you can start incorporating into your daily routine right away. But first, let's talk about what's really going on in your body. Poor circulation in your legs and feet is not just an inconvenience. It's your body's way of telling you that something is wrong. You see, when your blood isn't flowing as it should, your muscles, tissues, and organs aren't getting the oxygen and nutrients they need to function properly. Over time, this can lead to a host of issues, from swelling and varicose veins to more serious conditions like blood clots or even heart disease. So what exactly is causing this poor circulation? For many people, it's linked to a deficiency in a crucial vitamin that plays a key role in blood flow and overall cardiovascular health. You might not even realize it, but without enough of this vitamin, your body struggles to produce healthy red blood cells, which are responsible for transporting oxygen throughout your body. This leads to fatigue, weakness, and, most importantly, compromised circulation. Now, I know what you're thinking. If it's so important, why haven't I heard about this before? And that's a great question. The truth is, we often get so caught up in quick fixes that we overlook the simple, foundational things our bodies need to function properly. But don't worry, because I'm about to tell you exactly what you need to know to fix this. So what is this magical vitamin that can transform your circulation and bring relief to your legs and feet? It's none other than vitamin B12. That's right, vitamin B12 is absolutely crucial for the production of healthy red blood cells, and without it, your blood flow can be severely compromised. Vitamin B12 ensures that your body has enough red blood cells to carry oxygen to all of your tissues, including your legs and feet. When you're low on B12, your circulation suffers, leading to symptoms like cold hands and feet, swelling, and even muscle cramps. And here's where it gets serious. If left untreated, a deficiency in B12 can lead to more severe complications, like anemia, nerve damage, and heart problems. But here's the good news. It's easy to boost your vitamin B12 levels and get your circulation back on track. All it takes is making a few simple changes to your diet or taking a high-quality supplement. Foods rich in B12 include lean meats, fish like salmon and tuna, eggs, and dairy products. If you follow a vegetarian or vegan diet, don't worry. There are plenty of plant-based supplements available that can provide the B12 your body needs. And vitamin B12 isn't the only powerhouse when it comes to improving circulation. Other vitamins, like vitamin B6, folic acid, and vitamin E, also play crucial roles in keeping your blood flowing smoothly. For example, vitamin B6 helps prevent the buildup of homocysteine, an amino acid that can damage your blood vessels and cause circulatory problems. By keeping homocysteine levels low, vitamin B6 protects your arteries and keeps your blood flowing smoothly. You can find it in foods like bananas, potatoes, chickpeas, and poultry. Try starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with banana, or add grilled chicken to your dinner for an easy way to incorporate more B6 into your diet. Folic acid, or vitamin B9, is another MVP when it comes to circulation. It's essential for the production of healthy red blood cells, just like B12, and helps ensure that oxygen reaches all parts of your body. You can boost your folic acid intake by eating more green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale, as well as beans and avocados. A simple salad with spinach and avocado is a great way to get more of this important vitamin into your diet. And then there's vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that not only protects your cells from damage, but also helps prevent blood clots. This is crucial for maintaining healthy circulation because blood clots can block the flow of blood to your legs and feet, leading to serious complications. You can find vitamin E in foods like nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. Try snacking on a handful of almonds or using olive oil in your cooking to up your intake. But we're not done yet. There's also magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in helping your blood vessels relax and improving overall blood flow. Magnesium is found in spinach, almonds, and even dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. So next time you're feeling like a treat, reach for some dark chocolate knowing that it's actually helping your circulation. Now, I know this might seem like a lot of information, but the good news is that incorporating these vitamins and minerals into your daily routine is easier than you think. Start small, make gradual changes to your diet, and consider taking a high-quality supplement if needed. Your body will thank you for it, and so will your legs and feet. But before we wrap up, let's talk about the long-term benefits of improving your circulation. When your blood is flowing as it should, you'll not only notice relief from the discomfort in your legs and feet, but you'll also experience more energy, better brain function, and even improved skin health. That's because proper circulation ensures that all parts of your body are getting the oxygen and nutrients they need to thrive. And as promised, here's a quick recipe you can try to give your circulation a boost. A spinach and avocado salad, packed with folic acid, vitamin E, and magnesium. Start with a base of fresh spinach leaves, add sliced avocado, sprinkle some sunflower seeds for extra vitamin E, and drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. It's delicious, easy to make, and full of the nutrients your body needs for better circulation. So, what are you waiting for? Start incorporating these vitamins into your routine today, and say goodbye to the discomfort of poor circulation in your legs and feet. Remember, the key to better health is often simpler than you think, and it starts with giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. And if you want more tips on how to improve your health naturally, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.